Next in our group curation was to conduct an internal analysis of Chewy. But what is an internal analysis? It can be described as a detailed evaluation of a company's internal goals and how they use their strengths to achieve these goals they set, while minimizing their weaknesses. Internal analysis are conducted to assist company executives in finding areas of growth or change to form a new or alternative business strategy. In order to make monumental decisions for a company, clear understanding of its internal environment must be obtained. Our team was able to formulate an internal analysis for Chewy by finding their strengths through quotes derived from their annual 10K financial report, researching changes in their investment statistics, and discovering articles of the company's recent innovations. This research helped us find the company's resources, capabilities, and core competencies, which will be elaborated upon later. When conducting an internal analysis for Chewy, a handful of their main goals surface, showing their strategies to overall monopolize the pet product e-commerce industry. Firstly, by having over 2,500 brands and 700,000 different products on their website, their intention is to harness as many pet owners in need of supplies into their market. These partnership numbers will continually grow alongside many other programs that Chewy has implemented recently, such as their medication branch, for example, that gives the convenience of ordering your pet's basic needs and medications from the same place. As they have excelled in this concept so far, another goal within the company is to retain these customers they have attracted. Chewy does this best by their around-the-clock, 24/7 customer service representatives ready to answer any question or solve any dispute the buyers may have with the company. Beyond this corporate level approach, Chewy also succeeds in achieving this interpersonally by sending handwritten cards to their customers in response to events in their lives such as birthdays and anniversaries. Chewy uses this tactic for other disheartening events as well, such as the death of a pet. This is mainly to show the customer empathy for their loss and that they care about them beyond the monetary gain that they receive for their brand loyalty. These tactics appear to have a significant effect on their customers, as their retention rates are relatively high and higher than their competition. While many growing companies can achieve both concepts described like Chewy has when entering a new industry, not many surpass their peers in the process it takes from ordering a product online to showing up to your front door, or in short, supply chain management. In September of 2020, Chewy was able to open their first fully automated fulfillment center in Archbald, Pennsylvania. Mike Gilbert, Vice President of Operations, was head of the project, which resulted in a 45% improvement in operational efficiency in terms of cycle time between a customer order submission and a box landing on a truck. This project also resulted in greater picking accuracy and 30% lower fulfillment costs. Gilbert assembled this team 3 years ago to come up with an automation plan and spearhead the implementation. This team consisted of experts in mechanical and industrial engineering, fulfillment processes, and warehouse software from around the company to come together and cover every corner of the fulfillment process to choose the best fitting technology. Not only were these changes made for the benefit of the company, but to also reduce the amount of worksite injuries that arose in the warehouse, specifically in Pennsylvania, as Chewy has stated many times that they highly prioritize the safety of their employees. Chewy has additionally invested a large portion of their revenues into upgrading and advancing their supply chain concept by doing things such as strategically placing their fulfillment centers all around the US and an auto ship program that acts similarly to a subscription program and replicates a fixed time period model, and it follows a very basic process. Make an order of your pet's basic needs such as their food or medication, choose the auto ship option upon checkout, and schedule how frequent you want this order to repeat. This concept also has the convenience of rescheduling and canceling at any time, and you will never have to worry about running out of your pet's food again within the comfort of your home. Going back to the resources, capabilities, and core competencies of the internal analysis, these criteria for Chewy can be considered as follows. One of Chewy's resources can be considered their extremely large product selection. Chewy uses this resource optimally by creating a fully automated fulfillment center to get customers' products to their front door as fast as possible. This innovation, designated to accommodate the resource of the large product variety, is considered a capability of the internal analysis. And finally, for the core competencies, these can be considered the large retention rate Chewy has, deriving from the interpersonal relationships built alongside excellent customer service. So, in quick summation, some of Chewy's internal goals as a firm can be described as to broaden horizons in terms of suppliers and buyers, retain customers in the industry in order to achieve success and longevity, and dominate in the supply chain aspect to have a competitive advantage in delivery times.